6:26, and we are coming to the on-ramp now for the A1 Tollway. This is a real nice freeway, comparable to the interstate highways in the United States. Speed limit of 110 kilometers per hour, which is 68 miles per hour. My map has this marked as the A1 tollway, but the kilometer markers I'm seeing have it labeled A2, and we just passed kilometer marker 8, so I'm guessing it's 8 kilometers until we merge with the A1. I guess there's a mistake on my map. I'm showing 31 miles by straight line to the bus station in Dakar. 6:30 now. We're 3.5 hours into the trip. And here's the sign for the A1 A2 junction in 3 kilometers. So barring any terrible traffic getting into Dakar, we should be making pretty good time here. All right, 6:32. Looks like we're now merging onto the A1. And going through a toll plaza. And the bus is paying a toll of 1,500 francs. Kilometer post 49, just past the toll plaza, and we're coming up on the exit for Senegal's new international airport, which is a really long way from the city, unlike the old one, which was just on the north side of town. This one is way out in the middle of nowhere. Plaza is the name of the new airport. It's just to the south here, the opposite direction of where we're looking. Unfortunately, the window is quite dirty here, so I'm not sure how these images are going to turn out. But that'll probably be the last video until we get off the tollway and into the city of Dakar, because there's not going to be much to see along here. Alright, passing through the third toll plaza now on the A1. Not sure what those guys in orange vests were doing in front of the toll booths. I wonder how long this tollway has been in existence. This is weird. It's 6:52 and we're taking exit 9 to Thies instead of heading straight west on the tollway toward Dakar. I wonder if we're making a passenger drop-off here. I was not expecting to take an exit. We are in the Eastern Suburbs of Dakar here, about 12 miles to the east of the bus depot.